Today in this video, we will show you how you can make French fries in an air fryer. The great thing about making homemade fries is that it doesn't have any preservatives. So let's get started. I'm going to cut into a square. Well, as close to a square as we can. And then we're going to slice it up. For the skin, we're just going to slice into strips. Now we're going to cut these into strips as well. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put some garlic salt on it. Spray it with some olive oil. Do the other side. Garlic salt. Olive oil. Okay, and okay, so we're gonna preheat the air fryer at 300 degrees for 20 minutes. And we're gonna let it preheat first before we put in the fries. The air fry's been preheated at 300 degrees, and now we're gonna put in the fries. Okay, now we're going to put it back in the air fryer, and we're going to leave it in there for 20 minutes. We're at the halfway point, around 10 minutes, and now we're going to flip the fries. Okay, we're going to put it back in for the last 10 minutes. We will be back. Okay, the fries are done. It's been in there for a total of 20 minutes at 300 degrees. And now we're going to pull them out. Looking great. Let's pull them out. So there we go. This is how you can make French fries in the air fryer. Give it a try, and thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks.